Hi students, welcome. This is Varsha ICSE Math Strength. So this is your fifth lesson, quadratic equations. This is from R.S. Agarwal book. This is page number 42. Equation root of ax plus b equal to cx plus d. So this is of the form of quadratic equation. So this is one of the form. You have studied already about quadratic equation. So that is the general form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is your quadratic equations general form. So this is also another form. See both two x's are here. So when you multiply you will get x square. So this is also quadratic equation. Okay. See ax plus b and cx plus d should be greater than equal to 0. Why students? Why ma? Why? Because this is root is here. The square root is here. So belongs to the number should be under the square root. It's definitely 0 or be a positive number. Okay. So in the root it should not be negative number. See, it will be complex number. So you will be studied in your higher classes. So in the square root the negative number is not possible. Okay, you can say it is undefined. Okay, so that is another chapter. So it should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so cx plus d also, because it is equal to square root, so this should be greater than 0. Those values of x which do not satisfy these conditions are called extraneous values. It means the x we are going to find the root of, so the value should be under this condition. If it is not satisfy these condition, okay, root equal to sign, so that values will be rejected. So that value is called extraneous values. Okay ma. So we are going to find first roots and what are the extraneous roots. Okay, see, so this is your root of 2x plus 7 equal to x plus 2. So this is your question. Okay, so I am going to find the solution for this equation. So first clearly watch the video students. Okay, see, we have square root. So first I have to eliminate this square root. So for that I am going to squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, LHS and RHS. See, this is root of 2x plus 7. So I am going to take square and this is x plus 2 the whole square. So what do you get? So the square and root will be cancelled. Because why? Because this is 2x plus 7. This is 2x plus 7. So if it is under square root you can take one of them. So this is 2x plus 7. This is x plus 2 the whole square. So that is x square plus this is a plus b. Okay, so a square 2ab plus b square. Okay, so do you understand this step? This is x is for a and 2 is for b. So this is 2ab. So you have split it into two terms. Okay, so simplify this, x square plus 4x plus 4. This is 2x plus 7. So you can shift this two system, okay, two terms into this side. So what do you get? X square plus 4x plus 4 minus 2x minus 7 equal to 0. So now I am going to subtract. So what do you get? X square will be here. So this is plus 4x and this is minus 2x. So when you subtract you will get plus 2x. Okay, minus 4x minus 2x. So minus 4 minus 2, that is 2, bigger number sign, so that is plus. Okay, and here 4 minus 7. So if you subtract you will get 3. Minus 7 is a bigger number, so you get minus 3 equal to 0. So this is our final quadratic equation. Now we are going to find the solution or root or alpha, beta. Okay, you can say anything, but the value which satisfies the equation, so that is root. So we are going to find the root by factorization method. So what is that method? by factorization method. So you know very well about that. X square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So this is 1. Here it is 3 minus 3, so minus 3. So when you multiply you have to get minus 3, and when you add you have to get plus 2. Okay, so what is the right pair? 1 3s are 3. So you have no other choices there. Okay, so 3 1 3s are 3. You have to give a minus sign 1 or 3, but you have to get minus 3. So when you multiply, but when you add you have to get plus 2. So for that I am going to give the minus to the smaller number. This is plus. See, this is your right pair, minus 1 and plus 3. So do you understand? See, when you multiply you will get minus 3. When you add you will get plus 2. So for that you are giving the minus sign to the smaller number. Okay. So what is your answer, Manya? See, this is x plus 3x minus 1x minus 3 equal to 0. See, we have splitted this 2x. See, this is our 2x. We have splitted 3x minus 1x. So you can write anywhere. There is no order here, students. Okay, so you have asked in your classes, is there any order here? No order is here. You can write any of them. Okay, so now grouping x plus 3x. This is x square. So you have grouping. So take your x as common. So this is x plus 3. So I am taking minus 1 as common. So this is x plus 3 equal to 0. So x plus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 1. So we have to find these roots or satisfies the exact equation. Okay, so it satisfies this equation, but you have to find out this equation. The question is this satisfies this equation. Okay, so let's find whether it is satisfying or not. We are going to check that checking. Okay ma, so I am going to take a different pen. See how to checking. So take your question, root 2x plus 7 equal to x plus 2. Okay, so first answer you have to give for x is equal to minus 3. So take your LHS and RHS. This root 2 into minus 3 plus 7. So this is minus x plus 7. So you get plus 1. So our answer is 1. Okay, now take RHS. So that is x plus 2. So this is minus 3 plus 2, but you get minus 1. So for minus 3, LHS and RHS is not equal. So this value minus 3 is rejected. Okay, so it is rejected value. Now we can find for 1. See, LHS, substitute x is equal to 1. So this is root of 2x plus 7. So if you substitute here 1, so 2 into 2 plus 7, so that is root 9, that is 3. So what is our RHS? X plus 2. So when you substitute, this is 1 plus 2, you get 3. See, for 1, LHS is equal to RHS. So it is not rejected. It is x is equal to 1, the solution accepted that value, but x is equal to minus 3. See, listen carefully students. For x is equal to minus 3, when I substitute here LHS and RHS, the value for LHS it is 1, but RHS it gives minus 1. So these are not equal. RHS and LHS is not equal. So x is equal to minus 3 is a extraneous value. Okay, so do you understand? Yes. So I hope you all understand. So is this a difficult sum? Definitely not. But do you understand the steps, students? Okay. So may I say it again? So given question is root of 2x plus 7 equal to x plus 2. So I have to eliminate the square root. So for that I am squaring on both sides. So when you square, the square root will be removed. Okay, I have done how it is removing. Okay, so in the square root you get two terms, so okay, you can take square root. So 2x plus 7 you have, obviously it is 2x plus 7, and this is x square 4x plus 4, so a plus b the whole square formula. So when you simplify, you will get finally this equation x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. And by factorization method, we are finding the value of x. So that value gives x is equal to minus 3 and x is 1. So when you have square two roots, I am going to apply this two values in the given equation, LHS and RHS. So when I substitute x is equal to minus 3, LHS is 1. When it is RHS, it gives minus 1. So for x is equal to minus 3, it is rejected. Okay. When x is equal to 1, the LHS and RHS equal to 3, so it is accepted. So the value which is not accepted by the equation is called extraneous values. Okay. So do you understand, students? I hope you all understand. So these steps are very simple steps to understand. I have written many steps to understand, make it easy. Okay. So I hope you all understand. So please, if you like this video, give a like symbol. Okay. Thank you.